What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a quick review of Edifier W860NB wireless headphones. We will have a look on all of its pros, cons, design, and we will also talk about why it is one of the best budget active noise cancelling Bluetooth headphones. So let's start it. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. On the retail box of Edifier W860NB wireless headphones, you will find lots of information about the hardware specs and the feature of the device. Once you open the box, you will find a clamshell designed, nice quality hard case to carry the headphone anywhere. Inside the case, you will find the headphones, a USB cable to charge the headphones, a 3.5mm aux cable, and an aircraft plug that you can use to connect the headphone to the audio port of an airplane. So this is really a nice addition in terms of accessory, and then you will find some quick start guide and user manual. And now let's talk about the design. It comes with a nice design and good build quality. Even though the material used is mostly plastic and fox leather, it looks quite premium for sure. The plastic part comes with matte finish that gives the impression of metal. On the both ear cups you will find Edifier branding. On the right ear cup you will find the button to turn on or off the active noise cancellation, a multifunctional power key, LED light along with some microphones. The touch controls are also provided on the right ear cups. On the left ear cup you will find the spot for NFC, a micro USB port to charge the headphone, 3.5mm audio jack where you can connect the aux cable, and once again there is a set of microphones on the left side that will be used for voice calls and for the active noise cancellation. The ear cups can be rotated in different direction and angles to provide a comfortable grip and also to keep the headphone in the travel case. The headband is soft and provide a nice grip over the head as well. Overall, the design and build quality of Edifier W860NB wireless headphones is good. The build quality is nice, the material used is not so premium, but still it looks good enough. And now let's talk about one of the most important aspects of the design, and that's how comfortable an earphone is. And talking about the comfort level, Edifier W860NB is one of the best headphones. I have used dozens and dozens of various headphones from different brands, but this headphone is among the most comfortable one for sure. The ear cups are designed in a way to fit so perfectly over your ear that you won't even feel that you have a set of headphones on your ears. W860NB is very lightweight and the ear cups are so comfortable that you can use these headphones for hours without having any issue. I personally use this headphone for a 10-hour long flight continuously for noise cancellation and also to listen music and watch movies on the airplane's entertainment system, and I felt zero discomfort in the whole duration. So if you are looking for a comfortable set of headphones, Edifier W860NB is going to be one of the best one for sure. And now let's talk about the feature. So Edifier W860NB comes with Bluetooth 4.1, active noise cancellation, Qualcomm aptX processor, and it comes with NFC and smart touch feature as well, as we have just talked about under the design section. You can pair two different smartphones at a time to the Edifier W860NB, and the method to connect your smartphone using the NFC technology is quick and easy as well. The touch sensor on the right ear cup works perfectly, and using it you can increase the volume, decrease the volume, skip to the previous or next track, or answer or reject a phone call. You can also obviously play and pause the music being played. The only drawback is when you swipe up or swipe down to increase or decrease the volume, then it just increases or decreases the volume in one unit. So if you want to increase the volume to the full, then you will have to swipe multiple times. And another thing is that this touch command increases the volume of the earphones, and if your headphone is connected to your smartphone, then it does not make any changes to the volume setting of the smartphone, and you can separately increase or decrease the volume on your smartphone as well. And if you do not want to use the touch controls on your Edifier W860NB, then you can also use the power key to answer the call, reject the call, hang up a call once the conversation is finished, and to launch the smartphone voice assistant like Siri or Google Assistant to give voice commands right from your headphones. The active noise cancellation is great, and it is as good as like the premium headphones from big brands. The ANC works perfectly and reduces most of the noise to great extent to provide a great listening experience on Edifier W860NB. You can use the ANC feature separately without switching on the Bluetooth or connecting it to a smartphone. When ANC is turned on, it changes the audio signature of the music being played slightly, but if you are not a music buff, then you won't feel the difference most of the time. Overall, in terms of ANC performance, Edifier W860NB is a great headphone, and its performance is as good as expensive and premium headphones from big brands. If you do not want to use the Bluetooth functionality, or you just want to save the battery of your headphones, then you can use the 3.5mm audio jack to connect the aux cable to your smartphone and listen music on it as well. Once the aux cable is connected to the headphone, it automatically disconnects the headphone connection with the smartphone and starts playing music via the 3.5mm aux cable. Talking about the audio quality of Edifier W860NB, it is pretty good as well. It provides a balanced audio output, and you will be able to listen the low, mids and highs separately and clearly in each kind of music. The good thing about providing a neutral and balanced audio output is that you can do lots of customization using the equalizer to suit your audio preferences. The amount of bass produced is nice and good enough, but if you are a bass head and you like those kind of headphones where the lows are dominating the audio output of the headphone, then you will be a bit disappointed with the audio performance of W860NB. But as I said, if you like more balanced audio and you listen all kind of music, then you will actually prefer the audio output and audio quality of W860NB earphone. And now talking about the battery life, once again these headphones perform brilliantly as well. Without using the ANC feature, you will be able to listen music continuously on W860NB headphones for nearly 40 hours, and if the ANC is turned on, you will get a bit more than 20 hours of continuous music playback by Bluetooth on your headphone. So once it is fully charged, you can listen 2 days continuously without using the ANC feature, and if ANC is turned on, you can go from morning to night continuously listening music on W860NB headphones. The battery of these headphones takes a bit more than 4 hours to charge from 0% to 100%. So overall, Edifier W860NB is one of the best budget ANC headphones because it comes with the great performing ANC feature that is as good as premium and expensive headphones from bigger brands. This headphones is one of the most comfortable one, and you can use it for hours without having any kind of discomfort. The battery life is amazing. Using ANC, you can easily listen music continuously for more than 20 hours, and without ANC it goes as high as 40 hours. The design is good, the build quality is nice, it looks premium without having any premium material, and it comes with touch controls and voice assistant feature as well. So if you are looking for a nice active noise cancellation Bluetooth headphones but you do not want to spend big bucks, then Edifier W860NB is the best option available for you in terms of performance, audio quality, battery life and comfort as well. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.